I'm Florian Claar. I'm an artist, original from Germany, but since 30 years living in Japan. Working as a free artist, I do most installation work, public art work, many different types of things. While I first started with stage design, and from stage design I became more and more interested in experiences that one has with their own senses. And I wanted to get this a bit closer to the perception of the viewer. But that's the point where I became very much interested in perception of sound, of visual elements, of physics in general. It is called Klangfeld, which is a made-up name of the two German words Klang, which is sound, and Feld. The first one I created 30 years ago in Germany. It is a sort of a sound mirror. So instead of using tubes, I use the mirror shape, the reflecting properties of a curved shape to transmit sound. And this is a technique I was quite interested in very early, because it is a sort of lost technique. But at a certain point in history, they were quite essential for spotting approaching airplanes. During the First World War, it's only shape, and this shape creates a physical effect without any amplification. Many things to discover, and one true practical side, that's why I used two mirrors, is that you are able to communicate between them over a distance of 100 meters, which allows you to communicate in normal speaking voice, and people walking between won't hear any of these conversations.